Once the gauge is powered on, we are ready to begin the procedure. Begin by placing the gauge into max temperature value hold mode. This is accomplished by pressing the right arrow key once. The blue max LED will illuminate, signifying that the gauge is now in the max temperature value hold mode. For this example, the monitored temperature value will increase from 100 degrees to 500 degrees. Notice that the gauge tracks the temperature value as it increases to 500 degrees. As the temperature value decreases back to 100 degrees, the gauge display retains the max temperature value of 500 degrees. The max temperature value will remain on the gauge's display until the max value memory is cleared. To clear the max value memory, press and hold the up arrow key for 4 seconds. To return the gauge to normal operating mode, press the right arrow key once, and the blue max LED will extinguish. For more information, please visit our website at thesensorconnection.com to download a copy of our DPG-SD Digital Temperature Gauge User Manual and Quick Start Guide. Harold G. Schaevitz Industries. Performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.